Hello, my technical friends. We are in TestOut Linux Pro, and this is lab 2.8.7, and we are going to create directories. So you are preparing to manage a new project which is codenamed White Horse. So you need to prepare directories for White Horse documents. You are logged in as the WADAMS user. So in this lab, your task is to complete the following. So from the command line, create a directory called whin/home/WADAMS. Also from the command line, create the following directories in the /home/WADAMS/wh, and then implement, then plan, research. Then use the ls command to verify the creation of the directories. Alright, so I guess that is all we need to do. So let's go ahead and start lab. So we just wait for the lab to load. So meanwhile, if you need a detailed direction on how to solve other TestOut lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have exclusive perks and detailed video guidance on how to solve any TestOut lab at all. Alright, so let's just wait for this to load. Okay, so this is loaded up, so let's go ahead and open terminal. And in the terminal, we are going to type in mkdir space wh. You press enter, then type in cd. And cd space wh, then press enter, then type in mkdir space implement, and we'll press enter. So type in mkdir space plan, press enter, then type in mkdir space research, then you press enter, and let's see. So it's going to be ls-l/home /WADAMS /wh, and press enter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.